Hello student, today topic is form control. In the last lecture you learned the various types of the form control, label control, text box control, combo box control. Today you see the list box control. The list box control is show the data in the form of the list. The every data is shown in the list form. User can select the data from the list. User every time select the data. Which data is shown in the list? User can select the data from the list. According to their selection, data can be proceeded. According to the user, which types of the data is select. Suppose you can fill up the form. You can select the data in list from the in the nation India. Then in your selection data can be processed. You can select the Maharashtra state, then you can select the Maharashtra state. You can select the district district Wardha. Suppose you select the Vidarbha region, then you can select the Wardha. These types of the which types of the data you can select. According to the selection, data can be proceeded. The scroll bar is added automatically when you enter the data in the list box. Automatically scroll bar is displayed in the if the list of data is more than the control size, the list box is size is increases automatically. The user can use the scroll bar to view the data of the list. This control present the set of choices that are displayed vertically in a column. You can select the choices the vertically. If the number of items exceed the value that can be displayed, scroll bar will automatically appear on the control. The scroll bar is automatically appear. This scroll bar can be scroll up and down or left to right through the list. The scroll bar is automatically the scroll bar can be scroll up from left to right through the list, from left side to right side through the list. All जो which types of the data is data is added on in the list box. These types of the list is scroll up from up to down, from up to down, or from left to right. The common properties of the list box is list. First is list, then list index. List index is show, name is show, multi-select, style, sorted. List properties set or return the value of the list. Multi-select is used to select the multiple options from the list. The frequently used event of the list is double click. First is frequently used in the event in the list box is double click event. Data by double clicking on the list box or any window application. Add atom method is most common method that add the atom in the list. Add the atom in the list. Again the refresh method is used, the refresh the list. You can refresh the list of the list box. You can use the refresh method. Adding the atom. How to add the atom in a list? It is possible to the list of the design time or at the run time. Add at the design time. To add the atom in a list box at design time, click on the list property in the property box and then add the atom. Select the list property in the property box window, then add the atom. Press control enter. Press control and then enter, adding the each atom. So is show in the list box control. You enter the atom is list in USA, Canada, Australia, and in the right side the scroll bar is display for scrolling the atom in the list box. In this way, atom is added in the design time, then at the run time. The add atom method is used to add atom to a list at a run time. The add atom method is uses the following syntax: object dot add atom at index from for which index, first index, second index. The atom argument is string that represents the text to add to the list. Text in the form of the text add to the list. Atom is added in the list. The index argument is an integer that indicates where the list to add in the new atom, where from the first position, on the second position, on the third position, on the which position the index is given. Not giving the index is not a problem, because by default this index is Following example is showing the add item in a to a combo box. The code is type in the form load event. Combo box, the add item 1, add item 2, add item 2. In this form the items are added. Removing the item, the remove the item is used to remove the item from the list. The syntax object dot remove item index, on which index, index first index, second index, third index. Then in this way objects are removed. This is the list box is used for showing the list in showing the list and showing the items in the list box. Next is the timer control. Timer control is a very useful and the helpful control for showing the time. With this control can create the program and application which work with the time limit. The application and program is work within the time limit. This control is not visible at the runtime, so no problem in placing the control in the form. At the runtime, these types of these, suppose you can use the control, the timer control. At the runtime of the application, this control is not show in your form. This control is not visible at runtime, so no problem in placing the control in the form. And the timer control is invisible at the runtime. Every time the timer control at the runtime run the application, this control is not visible at the runtime, and its purpose it is to send a periodic pulse to the current application. You can trap this pulse by writing the code the timer event procedure and take advantage to event the task in the background or monitor a user action. This control exposes only two meaningful property, interval and the enable. Interval stands for the number of millisecond between subsequent pulses, and while enable lets to you activate or deactivate event. Name, enable, interval properties mainly used while creating an application. Name, enable, interval property is mainly used while creating the application. Interval properties measure in millisecond. Interval properties measure in the millisecond. Only a single event. Timer, it has no method. Name, enable, interval properties mainly used while creating the application. Interval properties measure in the millisecond. Only single event. Timer, it has no methods. Timer has no methods. This time is the timer is control is show timer, show in the watch form, start the timer, reset the counter, and the stop the time counter. Next control is the file control. Three of this control on the toolbox let you access the computer file system. There are the three controls: drive list box, directory list box, and the file list box control, which are the basic blocks for building a dialog boxes that display the host computer file system. Using this control, you can traverse the host computer file system, locate any folder or files or any on any hard disk, even on network drive. Files are controls are independent of one another. Files are the controls are independent to one another. Each can exist on its own, but they are rarely used separately. The drive list box is a special list box that displays a directory tree. File list box control is a special purpose list box control that displays all the files in a given directory, optionally filtering them based on their names, extension, and the attribute. This control often work together on the same form. When the user selects a drive in a direct drive list box, directory list box control is updated to show the directory tree on the drive. When the user select a path in the directory list box control, the file list box control is filled with the list of the file in the directory. In this way, the file control is show. The file list box control, on the other hand, exposes the one property you can set at the design time. This property indicate which files are to be shown in the list. All the files are shown, but you can enter the whatever the specification you do. Which files? First is the directory, then their drive, then the files. In this way, first is the drive list box. Their drive name is show, display the name of the drives within and connected to the PC. The basic property of this control is drive property, which set the drive to the initially selected in the control or return the user selection. Generally, the drive list box displays the available drive. Drive list box shows the available drive, C drive, E drive, which drive is available in your computer. This drive is shown in the drive list box. It works with the drive list box control and the file list box control. It works with the directory list box control and the file list box control. When the user select the drive from the drive list box, the directories are displayed in the directory list box. When the directory is selected, directory list box, then the files are displayed in the file list box. In general name, again I repeat, when the user select the drive from the drive list box, the directories are displayed in the drive list box. And in the directory list box, when the directory is selected, the directory list box, then selected from the directory list box, then the files are displayed in the file list box. In suppose you in the C drive VB98 directory, you select VB98 directory related files is show in the file list box. In general name, drive properties frequently used. Change event is one of the most important event for the live list box. Change event is used for the drive list box by changing the drive user, triggering the change event. Next is the directory list box control. In the directory list box control, drive list box control, directory list box control, and the file list box control. These three controls are available in the toolbox. Select it and drag it in the form. In this way is show drive list box control, directory list box control, and the file list box control. Display the folders of the current drive. The basic property of this control of this path, which is the name of the folder, whose subfolders are displayed in this control. To select the directory, directory list box control is used. While changing the drive, change event is used. Suppose here you select the D drive, then in the directory list box control you select the TSQL directory, then TSQL related files is shown in the file list box control. Last is file list box control. Display the files of the current folder. The basic property of this control is also called path, and its path name of the folder whose files are displayed. After the name property, path property is important, which display the path of the file. The important and frequently used events are click and the double click event, path change and the pattern change. When the files is shown, display the files of the current folder. Supposedly you select the in the directory, which directory is show. Suppose you select the VB directory or any other directory, their files are shown in the file list box control. The basic property of this control is also called path, and is path name of the folder whose files are displayed. Which folders are you selected, which drive you selected, their related files are shown in the file list box control. After the name property of the path property, important, which display the path of the file, which folder you selected, and their path of the files are shown in the file list box control. Display the which selected folder files are shown in the file list box control. Today close here session, and thank you.